Meanwhile, the government is moving to have a third telecommunication provider in Jamaica by the next year. Technology Minister Darrell Vaz disclosed that Cabinet has given the approval for the commencement of the process for granting a third license.
We are going to have a request for proposal for spectrum in January 2021. This is approved by Cabinet, and therefore the process will start in January 2021. And because of requirements for broadband in the pandemic, we are going to try and see how quickly we can have this to the point of where a recommendation is made by the Spectrum Management Authority to the Minister to take back to Cabinet for a final decision.
There have been calls for the government to introduce more competition in the telecoms market, especially given concerns and complaints about the quality of service by the two major providers. This prompted a meeting involving then Telecommunications Minister Favour Williams, as well as representatives from Flow and Digicel in November last year. Mr. Vaz says the government will be moving to wrap up the licensing process as quickly as possible.
So we are far advanced by virtue of getting the approval to go to a request for proposal, and that should start in January, and I am hoping that we can have that concluded by the first quarter of 2021, which will be by March, preferably February, but we have to do it properly and make sure that we don't rush it. So you will look forward to a third entrant in the market in 2021.